Like I said a while ago, the first foundation of financial independence and financial management is financial protection. Sa first world country, ang insurance po mandatory. Sa Pilipinas ka lang makakita ng insurance, ang tingin ng Pilipino gastos. But ladies and gentlemen, we want to be part of the financial inclusivity ng buong Pilipinas. Kaya we democratize insurance. Gumawa po tayo, nakipag-partner tayo with Sterling Insurance. And what we did, we created product lines. Meron po tayong nalabas na different product from Ascendra Protect. We have the accident insurance. We will be coming up in the future, the medical insurance or parang HMO natin for sickness and illness. We will also be coming pet insurance at marami pang iba. So with the accident insurance, we have two initial offerings, the basic AI or the basic accident insurance and the premium AI or the premium accident insurance. So as you can see here, the SRP is 3.5 per each. Pero 3.5 siya, pag distributor or member is 2.5. Anong laman niya, amigo? Ito, panalong-panalo kasi covered yung individual for 1 whole year. They are protected. Ito yung mga bagay na it's better for you to have it when you don't need it yet than to need it when you don't have it. Gets nyo ba? Ito yung mga bagay na mas mabuti nang meron ka nang hindi mo pa kailangan kaysa kailanganin mo nang wala ka. Are you following? So ladies and gentlemen, here we have 750 accidental death and accidental permanent disability. We have 250 motorcycle accident. We have 50,000 medical reimbursement aksidente. Nakagat ng aso, magkano man ang gastusin mo sa hospitalization, lahat ng gamot, kunin mo lahat ng resibo, ibigay mo sa ating customer service ng Ascend Protect with our insurer, Sterling Insurance, ibabalik po yung reimbursement ng ginastos mo up to 50,000 pesos up for 1 year coverage. The whole year, consumable siya. So para kang may emergency fund. Yun ang tanong, pag may emergency ba, may pondo ka? Dito sa Ascendra International, we value that. Okay ba yun? Para hindi na di-disrupt yung cash flow. And also we have accidental birth assistance, unprovoked murder and assault, daily hospital income of 10 days, 500 pesos. Ito maganda sa mga nasa laylayan. Because the truth is, ang marami nakakalam ng insurance yung may mga pera. Pero the truth is, yung mga may pera pag hospital, pag may aksidente, may pera naman from out of the pocket, kaya magbayad sa hospital. Marami tayong kababayan sa labas. Minimum wager. Pag may na-hospital, pag may naramdaman, hirap din ang magpa-check up. Kasi isang check up, 500, 600. Pag hindi pumasok, nag-absent, masama pakiramdam, no work, no pay. So sila yung may mas kailangan nito. Kaya we want to democratize it. Ladies and gentlemen, yung daily hospital income, basta reseta ng doktor sa'yo, rest for 3 days, you'll get 500 pesos per day, that's 1,500 pesos. Basta covered ka ng Ascendra Protect. Pwede or pwede? And syempre, mayroon tayong unlimited 24/7 teleconsult. So yung mga takot na takot magpa-check up, kasi nga po, walang pambayad sa check-up. Isang teleconsult ng doktor, 500, 600 pesos. Dito matutulungan natin yung mga kababayan natin. Just by teaching them financial wellness and financial protection, we offer them isang tawag lang, may doktor, re-resetahan sila, libre for the whole year as long they are covered by Ascendra Protect. Pwede or pwede? Just recently, we have covered mga kaibigan, more or less mga 100 employees and may mga padagdag pa ng padagdag. Hindi pa po tayo nagsa-soft launch but this is actually ready. May master policy na tayo so nakakatuwa doon. Yung mga empleyado po tuwang-tuwa. Kaya kung may mga kausap kayong cooperative, contractors, mga company owners, ang mga negosyante po basta may empleyado. Mapag-isa, 10, 100 o 100,000 empleyado, lahat ng empleyado nila considered as risk nila. Pag may nangyari sa pamilya, unang kakatok kay boss mangungutang. So imbis na kumuha pa si boss ng pera sa negosyo, mas mabuti pang insured na sila para transfer yung risk. At mas positive pa yung mga empleyado kasi they know that their boss values them. So may retention. Okay ba yun? Yan. So that is